Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. In this video, we will see the use case that is get data from multiple sheet and write in one Excel sheet using append range activity, and sheet is dynamic here. So let's go to the UiPath and see the use case. We have now we have create one program, another program for uh, same same append the data in the one Excel sheet. So Control N, append data, append range, method 2. Okay. So here you need to first take one Excel scope application here, and now you get the dump data file here. And after that, uh, how to know the count of the seat here? So firstly, we get those things. So firstly, here we are using the get seats activity. So using this activity, we are get the count of get the count of the seat. So here we create a one variable seats name. Okay, and after that you get the all the seats name in this workbook. So after that we are using assign activity here. For we are creating a control K count variable, and the count variable we assign here seat name dot count. So here we get the here firstly declare the variable type count is int. Okay, and also change the here a scope of the both. Okay, so now you get the count of the file, the seats available in the file. So now we read at a time all the seats. So for that, if you're using the same Excel files, then you can use here the read range activities without a workbook. If you want to read another workbook and write in another workbook, then you go outside and use the another activity. So here I'm using workbook activity. So here read range. So firstly we use outside this Excel application or scope, we use do while loop. So here while loop provide the condition. So providing before condition, use another activity. Here I'm using another activity, that is a assign activities. In these activities I'm declare one another variable, that is a I variable. Okay, and the I variable I'm providing the value is 1. Okay, so I variable also change the variable type here. It's not changing, so change another times a string, I control S, and then change the now remove. Okay, so here I'm using the condition I less than equals to the count. Okay, so in the while body you need to take read activity here. Read range workbook activity we are using, not the uh, Excel workbook Excel activity. We are using the Excel activity in the Excel scope only. So we are using this activity out of the Excel scope, Excel application scope activity. So using here the workbook activity. So now also take the path of the file where we want to read the data. Okay, and here provide the sheet name sheet 1. So here I'm not providing a 1 because I'm passing the variable here. So plus I, passing here the I, because in the I, when we are running the first loop, so I value I variable value is 1. So seat here is seat 1. So I dot to a string. Okay. So now here create another variable, control K, data dt. Okay. So these seeds data are stored in the data dt variable. So now after that I'm using the append range activity here. APP. Here I'm also using the workbook because we need to give the path as well, because we are want to write in the another workbook, another file. So here I'm using the file is master sheet. Okay. And sheet name is one. Okay. The variable is data table variable is data dt. Okay. So after that you need to increase the value of I. So you need to take the assign activity here, and for each iteration we create the value of I. So here I'm providing the I variable and the I plus 1. For each iteration it increase by 1. Okay. So after that I am outside, I'm taking a one message box here. In this message box I'm providing all sheets data append in one excel sheet, or you can write append in master sheet. Okay. So now this program is dynamic. If you have many sheets available in the excel file, then this program run and all the data take from the all the sheets and write in the one sheet. So I will run this program and show you the output, it's working fine or not. So firstly save this program and go to the sheets and check the all sheets are fine or not. So here I am reviewing all the files, all the data available here. So delete, I control S, and here all the sheets are available. So once I have created another one sheet is sheet 5. Okay, control Z, sheet name is 5. In this sheet I have copied this 2 line, 4 line and pasted in the this. Okay. So I'm close this file and now I'm run this file. All sheets data append in the master sheet. So program is completed now. So you can see the output in the master sheet, all data coming or not. So you can see here 37 line and the 3 other line we have added in the 5th sheet. So it's work good. So I hope you understand both the program. If the sheets are dynamic, then you also do the program. So if you have any query, please write your query in the comment section. We will provide the solution. So that's it for today. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.